if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a Easter bake with me, and this is actually going to be the last bake with me that I do. I'm going to be doing like maybe other baking videos in the future, I don't know, but I'm not going to say I'm never going to be doing them again, but I'm not going to be doing these like monthly bake with me's anymore. But yeah, I bought these ears just so that I could be in the spirit of Easter for you guys, just because it is my last one. And so I was gonna save this for April, but Easter is in like the second week of April, so I felt like I should do it in March so that we can bake these together. So I made these cute little cornflake nests thingies, and they're just little mini eggs and cornflakes, super cute. And then I also made these carrot cake muffins, and I actually got these little cupcake liners and these things at the dollar store. I got this at the dollar store. Yeah, super cute, and so I'm really excited to show you guys. Really easy to make as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I'm going to be relaunching my channel in April, so new videos are coming and kind of different styles. I'm gonna change it up a little bit because I've been running with the same theme for about 6 months, and so actually probably longer than that, so I'm gonna be changing it up in April, so I hope you guys don't mind. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys how to make are these carrot cake muffins that turned out really good, super moist and soft. So what you're going to need is 1 1/4 cups of flour, a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 1/4 cups of canola oil, 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 1/2 cups of grated carrots. And you can use cream cheese frosting as well, but I just skipped it for this one. So the first thing I'm doing is just mixing the flour and the sugar and the dry ingredients like the baking soda and baking powder and stuff, and just whisking that together, then adding the canola oil, and then using a electric mixer to just combine it all up. And then I'm adding 1 egg at a time and mixing it up. And then I'm adding my milk and my vanilla and just finishing it off with a spatula. And then lastly, I'm just adding the grated carrots and mixing until just combined. Then just grabbing a muffin pan, and I just lined it with these cute cupcake liners from the dollar store. I didn't even go there for these, but they had them in the Easter section. So yeah, I just filled them up about almost full actually, and I put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes exactly, and it turned out perfect. It wasn't burnt or anything, and it was fully baked through, but it was still super soft and a little crispy on the outside. So after transferring them to a cooling rack, I just added the little ears that came with the cupcake liners, and it was done, and it was amazing. Okay, so the other thing I made were these cornflake nests, and they were so cute. So you're just gonna need honey, which I actually didn't end up using, and some butter, chocolate, cornflakes, and some mini eggs. And there's not really specific measurements. I just used leftover chocolate that I had and a little bit of butter, added a little small pack of cornflakes, and then just added the mini eggs on top. So it's really up to you however much you want to make and however much you have on hand, but these were really cute and a really good like quick snack to like bring for your friends or anything like that. So yeah, I just let them cool in the fridge for a little bit, and then they were ready to go. Thank you guys for sticking around for all my baking journeys that I've had this past few months that I've been doing this. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm not gonna never do baking videos again, but I'm just gonna not do these like monthly things anymore. I'm gonna be changing up my channel for April, so I really hope you guys stick around and hope you enjoy it. I have so many things planned for you guys, and I'm so excited to finally tell you. So thank you so much for supporting me. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.